good Wednesday morning. Sure is nice to finally see a break from all of the rainfall, all of the clouds, and the cool, damp weather that we've had the last several days, even managing to squeak out a little bit of sunshine late yesterday afternoon. We'll see a little bit more sun this morning before clouds are back on the increase with a new storm system, and we'll take a look at that in just a moment. Here we are so far, 1/4 of an inch of precipitation for May. Again, our high temperatures continuing to remain below normal. We should be well in the middle 60s. Instead, because of all the clouds and rain, we've been stuck in the 40s and the 50s over the last several days. But we look to change that as a warmer pattern finally gets ready to move back into the area. That we're going to have to wait a few more days for that to begin arriving here. Here's a look at some of the top stories in the world of weather going on this morning. Of course, we'll be talking sun early today, but then getting back into the clouds this afternoon. And it does look like we'll return to not only clouds, but windy conditions over the next couple of days. The upcoming weekend still looking warmer than where we have been. And so far, mainly dry, though there is a slight chance for showers. And again, we'll take a look at that in just a moment. Here's the setup, though, with the next storm system getting ready to impact the region anyway. Really a waterlogged situation going on just to our south and parts of downstate Missouri and Illinois, where over 6 to 7 inches of rainfall has fallen, and it looks like another storm system set to once again impact those areas, but it will not really be impacting us. Notice the rain shield just to our south, so mainly going to see just some more increase in cloud cover with this next storm system. Maybe a sprinkler or two, especially for those of you that are in Lee County, the extreme southeastern part. But for the most part, I think most of us will stay dry with this next storm system. Here's the wind, though, and this will be the big story as we head through not only Thursday but Friday. Starting off in the morning about 20 miles per hour, but once we reach the afternoon, especially overnight Thursday, we could see winds gusting 35 to 40 miles per hour. So if you have trash day on Thursday, even Friday it'll be windy as well. Might want to throw in an extra brick or a little bit more substantial object into the garbage bucket before you put that outside for the day. Otherwise, it may not be there when you get home from work. Here's what we're looking at today. Finally getting some warmth back into the area. I think we'll hit about 60 degrees. I think the higher readings will be to the north where the less cloud cover is going to exist, and then more cloud cover to the south, closer to that system, a little bit cooler, but most of us right in the upper 50s to near 60. Again, more sun this morning and in the afternoon, and winds will be on the light side out of the northeast at about 4 miles per hour. The extended forecast continuing again to show a warming trend. We get through the 60s right into the upcoming weekend. A couple windy days, maybe a slight chance of a shower on Thursday, only 20% at that. Not everybody's going to see that. And then as we get in towards the upcoming weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, heading well into the 60s. A very nice weekend ahead. There may be a brief shower for some of us on Saturday morning. Other than that, expecting partly cloudy skies and then transitioning to mostly sunny skies to finish off the upcoming weekend, and then look at that back into the 70s by the time we reach next week. I really don't see a substantial chance for precipitation until we head about the middle to later part of next week. A very quiet but well-deserved break in our rain pattern. Looks like it's going to stick around for quite a while. That's the latest forecast from us here at SaukValleyWeather.com. Enjoy the rest of your Wednesday and the rest of your week.